He wants me to fuck his nose again. Okay, here we go.
Oh! That's nuts. I guess this would be Charles vs. Bo 4.
Just lay there.
Come on, Charles. Do the plotter. Ooh. Ooh. Get mad, Bo.
Oh, oh.
You might be in the danger zone.
What? Oh, those are my keys.
I think I am in the danger zone.
Oh, okay. Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable.
Somebody break somebody's arm.
I swear, they're gonna break something in this room eventually.
Yeah, it's gonna be my dick.
Ooh.
Ooh. That's the funniest submission I've ever seen in my life.
I couldn't even tap out.